So why is important to have a structure? Why is important to have a routine? I think this is the only way where we can have a little bit more of control of what we do and how we use our time in order to be efficient, to achieve our goals. I just came out from a really hard time and just trying to make a little bit more of my routine and like focusing a little bit more in my work is giving me a little bit of that mental peace that I was looking for a while. Just to finish this video that I hope you really enjoy and you got some inspiration from here, I'm gonna leave you with one of my favorite things about Berlin. Berlin is not only about party, it's also about nature. I just been super lucky to being able to finish work earlier during the day so I can go and enjoy my last time on the lake. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Look, he's already moving. He's like, you ready? And ta-da! Hi! There you go.